we've just acquired this lovely Volkswagen Touareg 3 litre TDI V6. It's in absolutely lovely condition. It's finished in a Porsche grey colour, Cayenne. They are similarly based cars. It's got the upgraded 20-inch alloy wheels. Absolutely sets it off with the side steps and the rear privacy glass. It's park distance control, twin exhausts, comprehensive service history. We've just serviced it. Look at it, it's absolutely lovely. Boot area is in lovely condition. Does have a Witter tow bar. Is it Witter? I think it is, yeah. That's a bonus if it works. Just it's into there. Full leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors there. Rear tailgate opening. Leather has no wear. Really does look stunning. Doesn't look like the age or mileage at all. Got auto headlights. It's got the satellite navigation. Just turn it on. Got cruise control. Air conditioning all works. It's absolutely cold. I've just had it on. It's 116,067 miles. 3-stage heated seats. Oh, we've got some new centre caps for the alloys that we just put on there. DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.